Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So the Plume Network TestNet is now open to everybody who minted their Plume Goon a couple of weeks ago, and in this video we are going to be interacting with the testnet together. So I'm going to log in with my wallet to Plume Network. I'll tap on sign. Now to switch my wallet to Plume Testnet, I'll tap on Plume Testnet. Then I'll tap on switch network. Now the first thing that we want to do here is to check in. Plume Testnet now have a daily check-in whereby you come to the website, you check in daily and you earn miles in return. And then you want to make sure to do this every day to increase the amount of miles that you earn, because the more miles that you have, the more airdrop allocations that you can expect to earn later. So tap on check-in. You want to try as much as possible not to miss any day of check-in. Check-in successful. I have earned 12,500 miles. Then tap on claim miles. Now let's go back and start to complete the tasks one after the other. What we want to do now is to claim test tokens. So I'll tap on faucet. On this page we can claim two tokens, ETH and Goon testnet token. I will start by tapping on ETH, then tap on get tokens. Remember that you need to connect your wallet to the faucet website before you'll be able to claim your test tokens. Mine is already connected. Then I'm going to confirm this interaction in my wallet. Claiming successful. I'll try and claim Goon token now. I'll tap on Goon and then tap on get tokens. I was rate limited. I have to wait for about 2 hours or more before I'll be able to claim Goon. However, I have some previously in my wallet, so I'll just go ahead and continue my interaction. So I'll tap on swap on ambient. They also have a backup faucet in case the first faucet is not working for you at all. You can tap on backup faucet, but since I have my Goon and I have my ETH, I'll just go ahead with my interaction. So I tapped on task 2. Connect your wallet to ambient finance. I have 0.1 Goon and I'll be swapping some of it into Goon USD. Tap on approve Goon. Set your spending cap, then tap on next and tap on approve. Now tap on confirm to complete this transaction. Tap on submit swap. Tap on confirm. Swap successful. I'll move on to the next task, which is to stake on Nest. If you are yet to claim test tokens or to swap some Goons into Goon USD, you are going to need to complete task 1 and 2. But since I have done that, I just tapped on task 3. We are on Nest. Make sure to connect your wallet, then indicate the amount of Goon USD that we swapped into just now that you would like to stake. Then tap on stake. Tap on next and tap on approve. Tap on confirm. Staking successful. Now, when your stake is starting to generate yield, you can go to Claim tab and then you can claim your rewards in Nest, Goon, and Plume Miles. You simply tap on Claim All Rewards. And if you do not want to stake anymore, you can simply go to the Unstake tab. Then indicate the amount of staked RWA that you would like to unstake, and then you get your Goon USD back. We are done with Nest. We are going back to Plume. Next up, we are going to complete BitG wallet task. This will give you 12,000 miles. So what we have here is Gal's task, and it is actually very simple social task. Follow on X, visit the website, and also have the member role. So I'll just pause my recorder and I'll come back later. I am done completing all the tasks. I'll just try to verify them now, and I'm going to claim my point. I'll tap on claim 100 points. Points claimed. I'll go back to Plume. Next up, I'll be completing Nest task on Gals as well. I'll tap on follow next. This is also social task. You have to join Nest on Discord and have the Bedo role, which you will get by simply verifying your account. And you have to follow Nest on Twitter. I have done the two. I'll verify it and then claim my points. Let's go back to Plume. Next up, we are going to be completing Omni task on Gals as well. It's the same thing. You are going to have to join Omni Discord server and also follow Omni on Twitter. I am already doing all of this, so I'll just verify the task and I am going to claim my points once verified. Lastly, we are going to be completing Celestia task on Gals as well. Social tasks 2, I'm going to follow them on Twitter, like and quote, and once I've done that, I'll be back to verify the task and claim my points. I'll tap on claim 100 points. We have completed a total of 4 Gals tasks, in which each of these tasks is going to earn you 12,000 miles, and at the end of the 4th task, you have 48,000 miles. New tasks will be added later by July 20th, where you'll be earning more miles. If you haven't done so before, ensure to go to Passport and then check for stamps that you are eligible to claim so that it can be added to your passport. On this account, I have Welcome Aboard, Follow Plume, and Join Discord, which I have previously claimed some couple of days ago. So if you haven't claimed yours, you are simply going to tap on the stamp and then you are going to tap on the claim button. Now, after completing all the testnet interactions, you don't want to forget that you need to be logging into Plume Network website every day and then go to the check-in tab, check in daily and claim your miles. And also once in a while, come to the passport section to check for available stamps and claim them so that it can be added to your passport. And when there is a new testnet interaction come July 20th, there will also be another video. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on future updates. And if you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial tomorrow.